Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a fascinating bird. It is commonly found in the Americas, especially in the southeastern United States, Central America, and parts of South America. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Black Vulture. Black Vulture. Black Vulture. Black Vulture. It is known for its strong scavenging skills and excellent eyesight, helping it locate food from great distances. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.